Now I'm gonna add some more oil. Let it heat up. Once it's heated up, I'm gonna add our onions. All I want is for it to squirt. The tomatoes we add last, gonna add my garlic as well. The tomatoes and parsley we're gonna add last, as the tomatoes are already cooked and don't need much time. Courgettes I'm gonna add very soon. Just letting it cook. Sometimes it's very tempting to move the pan about, but sometimes you literally just have to let it cook and take its time and let the magic happen. Now it's time to add my courgettes. Maybe a bit of water. I'm gonna cook the veg here. You can see it's nice and soft, it looks very beautiful and colourful. Now, I'm gonna open my tin of beans. This is my quick and lazy way of doing it. Okay, we don't need all these beans, so I'll save it for another meal. But I'm gonna add them to it. Mix it all in. Now the next stage is adding our veg stock that I've made earlier. I've always wanted to say that. Here's my veg stock that I've made earlier, and adding that in. Maybe not too much. Let that reduce down so the flavour deepens. Okay, so it's time for seasonings. I'm gonna add a bit of Scotch bonnet hot sauce to it. Maybe a few drops. You could just add plain salt and pepper. It's up to you. It's all about preference. Some salt. I like to add the seasoning at the end. Give it a stir. I'm gonna add the tomato concasse. Parsley. This dish is perfect if you're vegan. It's so easy to make. So we're just gonna get some liquid, put the bottom here. This will be an amazing starter if you got a nice hot date coming over and you're like, oh, I only got some vegetables left. And if she's vegan as well, she's gonna love you. Yeah, I like to get some bits of vegetable and stack it up in the middle. Use a spoon. If you have some croutons, they go lovely with it. We started off with quite a simple dish, French vegetable soup, but I wanted to start with something everyone could do. This is amazing, hearty food. Amazing in the winter. I know summer's coming, but it's amazing whenever, and really warms up your heart, and that's what food's about. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please give me a like and a subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and if you want more like it, just tell me whatever you want me to cook, from mac and cheese to cheese and mac. Have a good day. Goodbye.
Cheese and mac. That's the same thing though.
I know that's the joke.